Hello YouTube. I have 2003 Chevy Avalanche, and if you own a Silverado or an Avalanche, you're probably familiar with bumper alignment issues. In time, it just starts to drop and it looks nasty. Okay? If you're like me, it drives me crazy. Passenger side, driver's side. Driver's side, not as bad, but it's still got some gapping. Okay? So now, I've been watching on YouTube how to fix this. A lot of people are taking an all-thread rod, running it down this hole. It goes straight down, and it connects into this hole here. You gotta knock this clip out. They bolt it, and then they pull up on the bumper to straighten it out. Well, I really don't want to do all of that, so I come up with a solution. Gotta bear with me holding my phone because my GoPro's dead. This bracket here that wraps up right around the fog light or the driving light. Okay, 2 bolts up here on the main frame, 1 bolt on the bumper bracket. You loosen up these bolts. Okay, you just want to loosen them up. You don't have to take them off or anything. Then what I do, I take my floor jack, and I have this stainless steel bar. It's got a little hook on it. You don't have to use this. You could probably get away with a piece of wood or 2x4 or something. And the object here is to, I'm going to set my phone down for a second to get my jack moving. So the object here is whether you use a piece of wood, 2x4, or a bar or whatnot. I push it up underneath that bar, and then I'm going to jack up my floor jack. Bear with me. GoPro is always better. But okay, so I'm going to jack up the floor jack, and if you watch my bumper, it closed up the gap there. Okay, looks good. Well, while I got the jack underneath there, by the way, all you need is a 15mm wrench. Get up under the truck and tighten the 3 bolts. Sorry about the glare from the sun there. Beautiful day, Sacramento, California. Now what I'll do, just to make sure everything is tight, I am going to, I don't know if you can see that, I'm putting my phone against my tire. Take a rubber hammer, bump those to make sure that they stay tight. Okay. All right. So we got good gapping. I'm going to lower this floor jack. And voila, there you have it. Nice even gapping. Looks good. Solid and straight. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the camera. I'm gonna work on the passenger side. I'll get the camera back up since it's so difficult to work and hold the cell phone at the same time. I'll get you back on video in a moment. Okay, YouTube, I am back. Took me about less than 5 minutes past the driver's side. Good gapping. You look at it from the front, everything has got about an even gap. Passenger side, there we have it. So it cost me nothing except, you know, half an hour of my time. My bumper is now even. It's not going to drive me crazy anymore. So you have it. Well, hope this video helps. If you have any comments or anything, just leave them down in the description below. And have a great day.